Hi there, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my easy recipe about chicken quesadilla. Chicken quesadilla is a Mexican dish that everybody loves, and for this dish you don't need a lot of stuff to make in it. Dice your chicken breast and season it with oil, fresh garlic, black pepper, cumin, chili powder, red pepper powder, salt, oregano, and oil. Mix everything well, put it in your pan and cook it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, and whenever you notice that your chicken is well cooked, now it's time to add our vegetables. My vegetables are green pepper, red pepper, and onions that I have diced it before. Cook your vegetables for about 10 minutes. Don't overcook your vegetables. I think 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough. Now it's time to make our chicken quesadilla. My chicken is ready. My tortilla bread is ready, my butter and my cheese. In a pan, put a little bit of butter, put your tortilla bread, sprinkle some cheese and fill it with your chicken that you have cooked before. Sprinkle more cheese on the top of your chicken, then cover it with other piece of tortilla bread. Press those corners a little bit to make your bread stick together. After 5 minutes, flip over your chicken quesadilla and cook it for about 5 minutes in the other side. Cut your chicken quesadilla in 4 pieces. Serve it hot. Enjoy it with your family and your friends. Look at this beauty inside my chicken quesadilla. My cheese is well melted, my chicken is very well cooked and mixed well with other ingredients. This quesadilla is well grilled and crunchy outside, cheesy and chewy inside. This recipe is very easy and tasty to make. You have to try it at least once in your life. I hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!